Good morning बच्चों. In this video we'll talk about chapter first of 11th standard sets. So sets chapter first. So in this chapter we should, when we are using sets, so we should know what is a set. So we can say set is a well defined collection of objects. Sets is a well defined collection of objects. This well defined collection means it should not change from person to person. I'm writing here, it should not change from person to person, means it should remain same throughout. Like for example if we talk about top 5 Bollywood actors. So top 5 Bollywood actors, suppose for a student top 5 Bollywood actors are first let's see, Amitabh Bachchan, Akshay Kumar, Shah Rukh Khan, Salman Khan, Amir Khan. So for one student, top 5 Bollywood actors may be this one. But for another students, this may include Ranbir Kapoor, Sanjay Dutt, Shah Rukh Khan, Salman Khan, or maybe someone else, Ajay Devgan. So that means it is varying, it is changing from person to person. So we can say this is not a set. It should remain same, it should not change from person to person. Let's take another example. Let's say let's find out the odd natural numbers smaller than 10. Odd natural numbers smaller than 10. So if we talk about odd natural number, we should know what are natural numbers first. So natural numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Smaller than 10 we are talking, so these are natural numbers. Now odd natural numbers, so odd natural numbers will be 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. So if I ask any student what are odd natural numbers smaller than 10, so the answer will be 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. If I ask another student, the answer will remain same, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So throughout this universe, if we ask anybody who knows about natural numbers, so odd natural numbers smaller than 10 will remain same, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So it is not varying from person to person. So we can say this is a well defined collection of objects. So we can say it is a set. So this is a set. So let's take another example also. If we talk about vowels of English alphabet. So vowels of English alphabet. So vowels of English alphabet, we all know these are A, E, I, O, U. So if we ask anybody, it will remain same. So A, E, I, O, U are the only vowels in English alphabet. So we can say this is also a set. So I hope it is clear that what are sets. Sets should not vary. The collection should not vary from person to person. If it is varying, that means it is not a set. So let's talk about representation of set. Now representation of set, we'll discuss this with the help of so many examples. So you can pause the video if you want to write it down. So representation of set. So set is represented in two forms. First form is roster form. रोस्टर फॉर्म, इसको हम क्या कहते हैं, टैबुलर फॉर्म. वी ऑल्सो कॉल इट टैबुलर फॉर्म. टैबुलर फॉर्म. द सेकेंड वन इज सेट बिल्डर फॉर्म. सेट बिल्डर form. Set builder means which is building the set, which is forming the set. So like these are top 5 Bollywood actors. So what is it? This is set builder form. I'll show you the proper form, but the set is generated like odd natural numbers smaller than 10. So set is generated from this statement only. So this is builder of the set. So we call it set builder form. For example, like whenever if we represent a set in set builder form, so let's discuss first set builder form. There are only two forms, roster form or set builder form. So set builder form. So in set builder form, always remember that the set is always started from a capital letter. We always write a set in capital letter. So let's suppose A is a set, right? A is a set. So now A is any x. So what is the property of x? A contains x elements. So what is the property of x? That we will decide here with a colon. The property of x, we'll write it here. Let's suppose x is odd natural numbers. Natural numbers smaller than 10. Smaller than 10. So always remember these. Whenever we'll start a set, it will be written using a capital letter. Is equal to, always we'll use curly braces. Now in set builder form, we'll represent this value with the variable x. Now what is the property of x? It will be written in statement. X is odd natural number smaller than 10. So this is the representation of this set in set builder form. So this is set builder form. Now if it is represented in tabular form, or we can say roster form. So roster form or tabular form. So in this form, this set A, set name is A, it will always be written in curly braces. Now one elements of these this set will be 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. These are called objects, or we call them elements, or we call them objects, elements. These are always written or always separated with the help of comma. So do remember to separate them with the help of comma and put them in this curly braces. So this is the form of this is tabular form. So in this way we will represent. Let's discuss few more examples. Always remember this capital letter, curly braces, and separated by comma. Let's discuss next. So let's take few more examples of it. So now example, let's take another example. Always remember that elements should be written in small letters. Like in tabular form, always remember that the element should be written in small letters. For example, there is one set. Example, in roster form, suppose B is a set. B is a set of X, where X is vowels in English alphabet. X is vowel in English alphabets. So suppose this is a set B where X is vowel in English alphabet. So in tabular form, we will write this as A, E, I, O, U. So always remember, in tabular form or in roster form, we write the elements in small letters. So, and one more thing, in tabular form, in roster form, elements should not be repeated. For example, if we take another example, C is a set. Let's say C is a set X, where X is a letter of word school, where X is a letter of word school. So always close them with curly braces. X, property of X is, or we can say definition of X is, here we'll write definition of X. So X is a letter of word school. So in tabular form, this will be written as SCHOL. This will be written as SCHOL. Not in this way. This will not be SCHOOL. In this, elements will not be repeated. Always remember, only one time we have to write this element. So this is not a way to represent a set. And now you will say, sir, आपने तो बोला था small letters में लिखना है. So in this question only we are provided with this capital letters. If you want to write it down in small letters, that would be more convenient. Or we can say C is equal to SCHOL. So this is also correct. So this is set builder form and this is roster form of any set. So let's talk about mathematical sets. Before that, let's discuss the concept of belongs to. So concept of belongs to. Here I'll show concept of belongs to. Belongs to means like you belongs to a very rich family. Let's take Sachin Tendulkar, the son of Sachin Tendulkar belongs to a lavish family, now a rich family. Maybe let's take example of any Bollywood actor whose forefathers are working in it. So that person belongs to an actor family. So belongs to means from which family, from which category that number, that person, that object belongs to. So this belongs to will be represented with this sign. This is a new sign introduced to you. This is belongs to sign. We read it belongs to. And this is does not belongs to. Does not belongs to. This is belongs to and this is does not belongs to. Always remember this. So belongs to and does not belongs to, for example, in this category we say A belongs to B set. A is an element which belongs to B set, or C is an element which does not belongs to B set. क्योंकि C is not there in this B set, so C does not belongs to B set. If we talk about the C set, so C belongs to C set, capital C set, or S belongs to C set. Here A does not belongs to C set. So we can see A is not there in C set, so A does not belongs to C set. So now let's discuss mathematical sets. In this video we'll discuss the basics of sets only. So mathematical sets. So mathematical sets means there are fixed sets, fixed defined sets in mathematics. So what are they? Sets of natural numbers. If we talk about sets of natural numbers, so sets, or we can say set of natural numbers. So set of natural numbers is always represented by n. Always whenever we use the symbol n, capital N, so this means set of natural numbers. So natural numbers are what numbers? Which numbers? In set builder form we can write down 1, 2, 3, 4 up to infinite. So for infinity You need not to write dot 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 dot. Write down just 3 dots, which means it is going up to infinity. Just 3 dots. Next, set of integers. So set of integers. So set of integers is always represented by capital Z. Capital Z means set of integers. So Z means set of integers. So integers are starting from minus infinity and goes up to plus infinity. So these are integers. Integers are what numbers which can be represented on number line from minus infinity to plus infinity. These are not decimal values. No decimal values included in it. Next, third, set of positive integers. Set of positive integers. So set of positive integers means Z plus. Set of positive integers means Z plus. So Z plus means all natural numbers are positive integers. So we can say the elements which will be included in it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, dot dot dot, so on. So these are set of positive integers. Fourth, let's talk about set of rational numbers. Set of rational numbers. What are rational numbers? Which can be represented in P by Q form, where P and Q are integers and Q should not be equal to 0. So set of rational numbers is always represented by capital Q. Set of irrational numbers. Set of irrational numbers is always represented by capital T. Next, set of real numbers. Set of real numbers. Real numbers means all numbers from minus infinity to plus infinity, decimal values, irrational, rational, every number. So it is always represented by capital R. We will be using these symbols in future exercises to solve the questions. So seventh, set of whole numbers. Set of whole numbers. So set of whole numbers means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So it is always represented by capital W. So capital W is 0, 1, 2, 3, dot 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 dot. 3 dots means it goes up to infinity. So this is all about this video. In the next video we'll start exercise 1.1. So hope to see you there. Bye bye.